We all know that one of the biggest challenges for any traveler is how to plan an unforgettable trip. It always seems like there's something being forgotten, and that's when anxiety sets in. But don't worry, that's exactly why we're here. Planning a trip might seem like a daunting task, but with the right guidance, you can turn this phase into an enjoyable part of the experience. Welcome to another video on the Around Me channel, where we bring you tips to turn your trip into unforgettable experiences. Planning a trip might seem easy for many who are used to traveling the world, but if you're not accustomed to complex itineraries or if you're part of the disorganized travelers who leave everything until the last minute, this step-by-step guide will definitely help you. From choosing your destination to organizing the details, each step is crucial to ensure your trip is memorable and stress-free. Here are some essential tips to help you plan the perfect trip. If you like content like this, leave your like and subscribe to the channel. Choosing the ideal destination. The first step is to choose a destination based on your interests and expectations. Do you prefer a cultural or relaxing trip? Mountains or beaches? Historic or modern cities? Make a list of the places that interest you and evaluate what each one can offer. Check which destinations fit within your budget. Countries with a lower cost of living, such as Thailand or Peru, can provide an amazing experience without requiring a large financial investment. The time of year can significantly impact your experience. Tropical destinations might be more enjoyable outside the rainy season, while places like Europe might be cheaper outside the high season. Research the best time to visit the destinations you are considering. Determining the duration of the trip. The length of your trip should balance your desire to explore with the time available. For large cities, a stay of 4 to 7 days is ideal to see the main attractions without rushing. For smaller destinations or leisure trips, 3 to 4 days might be sufficient. Leave 1 or 2 days open in your itinerary for unexpected events or relaxation. This also allows for exploring places you might discover during your trip or revisiting spots you particularly enjoyed. Setting a realistic budget. Research the average cost of accommodation, food, and transportation at your chosen location. Use travel planning websites and apps that offer expense estimates to assist with financial planning. Knowing how much you can expect to spend will help narrow down your list of priorities. Consider budget-friendly options such as hostels, vacation rentals, or shared accommodations. These alternatives can save you money, while also allowing you to meet local people. Plan ahead to find cheaper airline tickets. Use price alerts and take advantage of flash sales. Being flexible with your travel dates can lead to significant savings. Organizing the itinerary. Make a list of must-see attractions and activities. Organize them by priority and spread them out over the days to avoid overloading your itinerary. Many cities offer free recreational options, such as museums, parks, and outdoor events. Include these activities in your itinerary to make the most of your destination without spending a lot. Leave a comment below telling us where you will be traveling to on your next vacation. Research how public transportation works at your destination and whether it's worth purchasing daily or weekly passes. For short trips, walking can be a great way to explore the city and save money. Preparing for the trip. Check visa requirements, vaccinations, and passport validity. Make copies of important documents and store a digital version in a secure location. Don't skimp on travel insurance. It is essential for providing assistance in case of medical emergencies, lost luggage, or flight cancellations. Pack only what you need, considering the climate and the length of your trip. Versatile and comfortable clothing is essential, as well as a good pair of walking shoes. Final tips for saving money. Instead of eating out at restaurants every day, try local markets and prepare some meals and accommodations with a kitchen. This can lead to significant savings and also allows you to try local ingredients. Many attractions offer discounts for online advance purchases or on certain days of the week. Take advantage of these opportunities. Avoid exchanging money at airports, where the rates are usually higher. Research the best exchange options and, if possible, use credit or debit cards that don't charge high fees for international transactions. Planning a trip requires some research and organization, but the effort is worth it to create a more enjoyable and hassle-free experience. With these tips, you can choose the perfect destination, organize a balanced itinerary, and make the most of every moment of your journey without breaking the bank. If you're still unsure where to travel, watch our video on the 10 cheapest countries in the world worth visiting and choose your next destination. Have a great trip!